Art of saying no. Are you a people pleaser or do you want to be a leadership skills? The author's kind of nature, he was always ready to help others. But he had the desire to stop doing this. He did it assertively. Some of the tips that are given in this book are: don't interrupt someone. First listen to others and then give a different opinion. People's ideas are sometimes related to their feelings, so be careful. And do not angry while saying no. Give priority to yourself, family and work. It's not selfish. This is a thriller story. Duncan went to find Meg. Connor was asking for her. Duncan and Connor were finding Meg. Duncan shouted for Connor. He was not there. Inspector Logan started the investigation. He also visited doctor in regards. He showed the photo of the boy Dylan to the Owen. Dylan was a 3 years aged boy. He died. Owen confessed the murder. Anya was an assistant clerk at the university. She did not know the art of saying no. She forgot to tell Sefali about her leave, that she was going to attend her cousin's wedding. Ria showed jewelries and dresses to Anya. On the day of Sangeet, Ria and Anya went out as Ria said, but Ria then disappeared and now Anya was trapped. Ara is the person who can make or break the business. Ara entered the office. Dhruv and Dia's wedding was after 6 months. Dia was thinking about her business. Ara and Payal were best friends. They met in near college. They merged their family businesses. They had 6 years of successful business partnership. Ara and Dia attended a college together before. That college reunion was there. Dia thought Ara forgot her. Ara and Dia met at reunion. Dia thought of her sweet memories with Ara. That how Dhruv called Dia. Ara bought infinity equity. Ara, Dia, Dhruv and Meg met for a meeting. Goal of life. It's not important how many times you fall. It is important how many times you rise. It's not important how many times you fall. It is important how many times you rise. It is important to have goals and one can make savings for it. Author's own story. He had taken loans. He paid it before agreement date. He worked hard, most of him leave a past behind and take steps towards your goals. And a woman entrepreneur was disturbed. She swallowed sleeping pills that she could find inner peace. Then she put the tickets of the conference in a drawer. The conference was about personal development. Have work to help others. It will give you inner peace. You all have denied to some persons denied to their childhood dreams. They get hurt by their trusted people. Their idols get devastated. But the thing to remember, you are more powerful. One is more powerful than he or she thinks. It's just that one's fears are little more little. It's just this one fears are little stronger. It's just as one's fears are little stronger than his or her desires. Just as one's fears are little stronger than his or her desires.